the sound of ocean waves at night in Myrtle Beach. There's something deeply personal, almost sacred about the sound of ocean waves crashing softly against the shore at night, especially at Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. The rhythm of the tide becomes a lullaby for the soul, one that stirs memories, awakens emotions, and wraps you in a nostalgic warmth that only a familiar place can offer. When I hear the ocean at night, I'm instantly transported to those quiet moments on the sand, barefoot and wrapped in a hoodie, the salty breeze brushing against my face. The world feels slower there, simpler. The neon lights from the boardwalk flicker just faintly in the distance, but out by the water, the darkness is pure and comforting. The stars stretch endlessly above, and the waves speak in whispers, a language of time, distance, and memory. Myrtle Beach carries so many good memories. Family vacations as a child, chasing crabs with flashlights, building sandcastles during the day, and returning to see the tide reclaim them at night. As a teenager, long walks with friends, sharing secrets and laughter under the moonlight, felt like freedom. Later still, it became a place for reflection, where life's chaos paused long enough for me to hear my own thoughts. Sitting by the water, I often felt a strange sense of peace, as if the ocean understood things I couldn't explain. The nostalgia is layered. It's not just about beach days or sunburns. It's about who I was at different points in my life. When I return to that same stretch of sand, the sound of the waves brings back not just memories, but the feelings tied to them. The joy of innocence, the ache of growing up, the comfort of being home even if just for a weekend. At night, Myrtle Beach feels timeless. The waves don't care how many years have passed since the last visit. They greet you the same way, steady, soothing, eternal. And in their sound, I find comfort, clarity, and a deep connection to the past. It's not just the ocean. It's every beautiful moment I ever lived beside it, echoing in the dark.